Our study examined the prevalence of misconceptions regarding policies that impact undocumented students' access to higher education. As we know, citizens have the power to influence the political process through advocacy and voting, but the information they rely on to decide to support or oppose policies is not always correct. Changes in policy are particularly consequential for undocumented students, as policy mandates both their legal and education opportunities. We examined immigration and education policy misconceptions through 2 studies. Study 1 captured misconception prevalence amongst the general public, while Study 2 captured misconception prevalence among college students. Additionally, Study 2 examined the efficacy of refutation text in reducing college students' misconceptions. As opposed to traditional expository texts which simply provide information, refutation texts explicitly state and refute misconceptions. Results showed that the most prevalent misconceptions amongst the general public were those regarding tuition and disclosure of students' legal status, while the most prevalent misconceptions amongst college students were those regarding tuition and UDACA applications. Additionally, refutation texts reduced college students' misconceptions and increased correct conceptions about undocumented students' college access to a greater extent than expository text. Our findings provide a means through which advocates, policymakers, and researchers can increase support for policies that grant greater higher education access for undocumented students.